Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Shellpoint Newrez mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then go to google.com. Now on the Google Chrome bar or your Google search bar, search for Newrez Shellpoint mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Shellpoint. Shellpoint is also Newrez's sister company, so these both are the same mortgage company. Now, after you get into your Shellpoint webpage, click Sign into my account, which is on the left-hand side of your screen, or you can also click Sign in, which is on the top right-hand corner of your screen. After you click Sign in, it will lead you to a login portal where you can log into your account after you write down your username or your email address and then click Next. After that, write down your password and then click Sign in. This is the way how you can log in to your Shellpoint or your Newrez mortgage account. If you want to create a new account, click on this link below the next icon and then create a Shellpoint Newrez account for yourself. If you want your browser to remember you the next time you log in, click Remember My Username and then you can write down your password and enter the next time you log in. This was a video on how you can log into your Shellpoint Newrez mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.